What's up, Greg Gang? We're out squirrel hunting today, so yeah. We're not doing nothing much, just squirrel hunting today. So yeah. Yo, do you mind getting moved a little bit? This is my spot. This is close to where we heard the Bigfoot.
On your gun.
Bro, don't step on my gun, boy.
I didn't mean it.
Let me see it.
There you go.
Really? Okay, guys, I'm gonna sit down. You are gonna go a little bit up, and we'll be back. And I'm going to sit right here, watch for some squirrels, and yeah. Okay, that's how we communicate, by a little woo, woo. Okay, when you bed down, do that again. Okay. Got my pellet gun with me. This one. Give me the tree. Nothing. Oh, because I thought I seen something, but it looked like a squirrel, but it wasn't. But I did see something run up the tree. Oh. My friend Anthony, me and him were out here. It's a bird. Where? Right there. Oh, there it is. Oh, you shot it. Did I get it?
It went over here.
Guys, I got it. Let's go.
It's over here.
Did it die?
No, it's still down.
Shoot it. Shoot it. I'll be right over. Let's go. First shot of the day is a bird. Let's go.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, let's go, guys. Is he going to fall? Do you think I hit it?
Yeah, I saw feathers.
I know I hit it.
Yeah, I need some ammo.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back.
Okay, guys, we've been looking for it.
I think we found it. So, he's still trying to load up. And yeah, so I'm going to go up to try to see if I can get the squirrel or the bird. So let's go, guys. First shot of the day. We got it. It's her.